What's up, Gear America Nation? This is Chris coming to you from the Gear America Photo Studio. And how would you like to win a Mega Recovery Kit, a Kinetic Recovery Rope, or a pair of synthetic soft shackles? Well, stay tuned. I'm going to tell you how. Welcome back and welcome to our first ever Gear America holiday giveaway. This is essentially a thank you to all of you out there, our loyal subscribers on our email list and our YouTube channel. We really appreciate your support, and to show you, we're going to be giving away a Gear America Mega Recovery Kit, a Gear America Kinetic Recovery Rope, and a pair of Gear America Synthetic Soft Shackles. What does it take to win? Well, it's very simple. Subscribe to our email list. There's going to be a link below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. You're watching us right now. Hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below. It doesn't have to be big or fancy. In fact, just put GA 2020, Gear America 2020. It's as easy as that. Subscribe to YouTube, subscribe to the email list, leave a comment below, and you are in. We're going to randomly choose a winner from all the comments below, and I cannot tell you how much we appreciate your support on all of our channels. So you may be seeing this video on Instagram or Facebook or a different advertisement, but it all comes back to our email list and our YouTube channel. So check the links below for more details, and get ready, because in the next 48 hours you're going to be getting an email, if you're on the email list, with details on how you can win one of these 3 fabulous prizes. So that's it for now. This is Chris signing off for Gear America, and as always, off-road smart and tread lightly.